120 mile an hour out of the box, ready to run limitless. Did you ever stop to think, where would I run a car that can do 120 miles an hour? Out of the box. Everything you need is in the box. You buy the box, it comes to you with everything in the box to do 120. Batteries, you gotta buy a charger, you gotta buy the car. But once you buy it, it comes, you do a little modifications with the directions, 120 miles an hour. I'm old enough to remember a TV show called Greatest American Hero. In this TV show, my guy is a teacher. He's just a regular civilian. He's not a superhero. And in the middle of the woods, he finds a suitcase, and inside of this suitcase is a superhero outfit, costume, suit, if you will. My guy puts on this superhero suit and he can fly like 120 miles an hour. Let's say, I don't know, like 120 miles an hour. But the problem is, he doesn't know how to land. He crashes every single time. But before you could do 120 miles an hour, I just want to give you some tips on how to harness that power. Now, I wasn't lucky enough to have Arrma drop me a car before the September 11th date. But if you have an old one laying around, or if you just want to pick up a roller, check out my link in the descriptions below, and it'll tell you exactly how I did it. 120, no sweat. And the first tip is to find yourself somewhere to run it. And you'll need that room because of voltage sag. Voltage sag is like when it's asking for more energy and it can't get it. Kind of like trying to drink a milkshake through a coffee straw. So my next tip, you gotta have good batteries, you gotta have great connectors. This car is going to come with EC5s. They're good, but I will up it to a QS8. Batteries I recommend, SMC, CNHL, even your guy Innovation RC has it set, so go get his. And if the place you pick to run it has reflectors on the ground,
full throttle,
say no way. Ask my guy Do RC what happens. And if you plan to do multiple high-speed passes like this, I suggest you budget for a new ESC. You're also going to need a bingo bag. Tools should be included, definitely your 17mm wrench, an assortment of Allen wrenches. If you can swing it, go ahead and get the MIP, that stuff is really good. You're going to want a battery checker to make sure the health of your batteries is good to go. You need a GPS to check your speed because you want to hit that 120. And don't forget your heat gun. Shut it down if you go over 170. That's 76 for my friends across the pond. Stock tires, great for a clean 100, but once you get to 120 and above, you want to talk about GRP, going bananas, or some kind of foams. Can you hear it? Yeah, I would definitely budget for extra tires too. You're going to go through a few sets with this car. So we lost 3 wheels on the same run. And that one is off. But easy day, we're gonna put some new wheels on it and we're back out here. Let's go. Let's throw that gold soft compound on them. $125. Boom. Let's take some time to talk about how a car flies. But first, we'll talk about some tips so yours won't. Positive camber your car is going flying. Just ask my guy JT. Woo! Full back. Here we're looking at the rake of the car. I can get one finger under the front while I can get two fingers under the back. That makes sense, right? We're just gonna squat down the front compared to the back. But in my build, I took it one step further. I got this tip from James McCoy. Throw some tubing here to reduce squat. Now, RTR means ready to run. Your car will come complete with a remote, but you may consider upgrading it so that you can take full functionality of the AVC. The AVC, or the gyro, is what allows your car to have stability at those high rates of speed. Stability to control to keep it straight. If you ain't cheating, you ain't trying. Hey man, I know I promised you 120. Sorry, I lied. I actually got you 125. Listen, take these tips, get your 120, your 130s, your 160s. Have a great time. Hit me up in the comment section. Let me know how you did. From a 5.7.
Oh! So much power.
Innovation RC is correct. A Limitless doing over 100 miles an hour is so much power. Learn how to harness it, people, so you won't end up like this guy in the side of a wall. Come on now. From a 5.7, tell a friend to tell a friend. Oh, we just got some exciting news. Callahan Speedway is inserting a runway.